Good morning students. Today we are going to see about H parameter model. So what is H parameter model? So H parameter model means it's a network that is a two-port network. Okay. If it is having a two ports, one is the amplifier. The amplifier is a two-port network here. It is having two input terminals and two output terminals. So the H parameter model is a network of two-port network. It is having two ports. So the amplifier is a two-port network having the terminals, two input terminals and two output terminals. Okay. So here I1 is the input current to amplifier. V1 is the input voltage to amplifier. Then I2 is the output current of the amplifier and V2 is the output voltage of the amplifier. So we all know that the transistor is a current operated device. So input current is an independent variable. So the input current, that is I1, and output voltage V2, that derives the input voltage V1 as well as the output current I2. So the input current and the output current are the dependent variables, and input current and output voltage are the independent variables. So here what are dependent variables and independent variables? V1 and I2 are dependent variables. V2 and I1 are independent variables. Okay. So in this model, it has the units and the impedance, that is H11 and H22. It has a unit of admittance where H12 and H21 are dimensional ratios. Okay. What is H11 and H12 and H21 and H22? H11 means it is an input impedance with output short circuit. It is referred in ohms. What is H21 means? It is a forward current ratio with output short circuit. It has no unit. It is unitless. Next, what is H12? It's a reverse voltage ratio with input open circuit. It is also having no unit. It is called as unitless. Finally, H22. It is output admittance with input open circuit. So we need to analyze the amplifier circuit and need to calculate the input impedance, output admittance, current gain and voltage gain. These are the, we need to analyze the input impedance, output admittance, current gain, voltage gain. So we need necessary to replace some transistor circuit with the H parameters. Okay. We are also using common emitter configuration for H parameter model. So in a common emitter configuration, variables, some of the variables are here. They are also divided as dependent variables and independent variables. Okay. For base configuration, we need to find out the input impedance, output admittance, and reverse voltage gain and forward current gain also. For also common current gain, we need to find the output in short circuit, that is input impedance and output admittance. Finally, forward current gain and reverse voltage gain. Okay. What are the benefits of H parameters and what are the demerits? So what are the benefits mean? It is having real number of audio frequencies. Okay. It is easy to measure. So it can be obtained from transistor, that is static characteristics curve. It is convenient to use in circuit analysis and design. It also one of the most transistor manufacturer, that is specifically H parameters. Okay. These are the benefits of H parameter model.